Hello everybody. Today I'm sharing this beautiful colorful salad. We can call it four season salad. We can call it haru, like spring salad. Okay, the ingredients are tomatoes, beautiful tomatoes, heirloon tomatoes, or any kind of tomatoes right here, lemon juice, ginger, onion, basil, and also you can see olives. And what else you see here? Avocado. You see a lot of avocado here. And of course you put some olive oil, and this is here is the juice that I prepare. Here the lemon juice with the ginger and all those beautiful olive oil. And also we can add a beautiful eggplant that it was cooked with olive oil and seasoned with garlic, a lot of garlic, oregano and basil. Okay, bon appetit!